Friends, I'm Avi Avocado, and I'm so excited you're here. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of colors, but with a twist. Let's start with red. It's bold, fiery, and full of energy. Did you know that red is often associated with passion and love? Imagine a world without it. Now, let's cool things down with blue. It's calm, serene, like the ocean on a peaceful day. Blue is the color of wisdom and tranquility. What blue things do you love? Next up, black. It's mysterious, elegant, and oh so dramatic. Black can be bold or classic. What do you think of when you see the color black? Let's brighten up with green. It's fresh, vibrant, the color of the nature itself. Green symbolizes growth and harmony. Can you spot something green around you right now? Ah, purple. It's royal, majestic, fit for kings and queens. Purple is often associated with creativity and luxury. What purple things inspire you? Now, let's explore brown. It's warm, earthly, like freshly baked cookies. Brown connects us to the earth and reminds us of home. What's your favorite things that is brown? Last but not the least, orange. It's bold, cheerful, like burst of sunshine. Orange radiates warmth and enthusiasm. Where do you see orange in your daily life? Wow, what a colorful journey we've had today. Remember, colors aren't just shades, they are expressions of our world's beauty and diversity. Which color resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you and see you guys!